Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to use teamwork.com for event planning. The first step is to set up your project. Navigate to the Projects tab, click Add Project, and fill in the necessary details. This is crucial as it gives your team a centralized place to work from. Now that we've done that, let's add tasks for your event. Go to the Tasks tab, click Add Task, and detail what needs to be done. Remember to assign each task to a team member and set a deadline. This helps us because it ensures accountability and keeps everyone on track. Next up, we're going to use the Messages feature. This allows everyone to communicate and share updates within the project. You can easily post a message by going to the Messages tab and clicking Add Message. The reason we do this is to maintain open lines of communication, crucial for successful event planning. After messages, it's time to manage files. In the Files tab, you can upload, organize, and share all event-related documents. This is an invaluable resource because it keeps all important files in one easy-to-find location. Lastly, we'll look at the Calendar feature. Here, you can schedule meetings, set reminders, and mark key dates for your event. This ensures that nothing slips through the cracks and every detail is accounted for. In conclusion, Teamwork.com provides a comprehensive platform for event planning, helping you manage tasks, communication, files, and schedules all in one place. Remember, the key is to utilize its features to keep your team organized and your event planning on track. And that's all for today's tutorial. See you in the next one.